Introducing the Baseus A2 Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner, your versatile cleaning companion designed to tackle dirt and debris effortlessly, whether at home, in the car, or in the office. With its compact size, lightweight design, and powerful suction capabilities, this handheld vacuum cleaner offers convenience and efficiency for all your cleaning needs. Features: multifunction and accessories. The Baseus A2 Pro is a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner that not only sucks up dirt but also doubles as a powerful blower. With included accessories like the 2-in-1 suction nozzle, brush nozzle, and blowpipe, you can easily tackle different cleaning tasks with precision and ease. 2-in-1 suction nozzle. Switching between vacuuming and blowing is effortless with the 2-in-1 suction nozzle, allowing for seamless transitions between cleaning modes. 6,000 mAh large capacity. Equipped with a high-capacity 6,000 mAh battery, this vacuum cleaner offers up to 20 cleans on a single full charge, ensuring long-lasting performance for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. 120 ml large dustbin. The generous 120 ml dustbin allows for extended cleaning without the need for frequent emptying, providing added convenience and efficiency. 771G lightweight design. Weighing just 771G and featuring a small size, this vacuum cleaner is easy to hold and maneuver, making it ideal for use in various settings. Less than 65 dB low noise. With noise levels below 65 dB, this vacuum cleaner operates quietly, making it suitable for use around children or pets without causing disturbance. Attributes: color, black. Material, ABS plus PC. Size, 26.86.16.1 cm, without packaging. Weight, at about 508 g, without packaging. Current, 5V2A. Rated input power, 80 W. Battery capacity, 2000 mAh x 3. Charging time, 3.5 H. Vacuum suction, 6,000 pascals, 50,000 RPM. User instructions. Before use, ensure that the filter is properly installed and there is sufficient battery charge. Press the switch to start vacuuming. Use the appropriate nozzle attachment for different cleaning tasks, such as the 2-in-1 suction nozzle, brush nozzle, or blowpipe. After use, remove the dustbin, empty the garbage, and clean the filter. Clean the dust and filth attached to the filter regularly, recommended after the 5th of June uses. Ensure the filter is completely dried before reinstalling. Notice: under full charge and maximum mode, the motor speed can reach 50,000 r/min. Recommended storage temperature is 75 degrees Celsius, but use in high temperatures is not encouraged. Under full charge and maximum mode, the airflow rate can reach 500 liters per minute. Due to monitor and light effects, the actual color of the item may slightly differ from the pictures. The Baseus A2 Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner offers powerful performance in a compact and portable package, ensuring efficient cleaning wherever you go. Say goodbye to dirt and debris. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Baseus A2 Pro today.